here's a quick update on the Vincent Rapide header exhaust system. So Vincent guys will know clearly that this is a two-piece header arrangement for the standard setup. Yeah, so the shorter pipe of course fits into here and then it's clamped on, and then in order to fix the header pipe into the cylinder head we have these nuts, these exhaust pipe nuts, and of course they go on here. It's quite easy on this shorter piece, but on the longer piece it doesn't come flanged, and so the flange looks like this. It's a very nice flange here, and so with the longer pipe you have to get a flange made, and so the pipes were supplied with this tool, and essentially you had to whack it over the head to make this flange, and I wasn't going to do that. So what I did was I took the pipe to a very talented local guy, Andrew, and he has made this flange. He welded the flange on, and he's done a very nice job in cleaning this all up. This is just sort of left over from the tape that I put on there just to try and minimize the scratches, but you'll see here this is how the exhaust nut fits on now, and it's a very nice fit onto the end of that pipe. And my understanding is obviously if you want to take these off at any time you have to cut the flange off. So I'm very happy with this. Most of this marking here, these heat marks here from the welding, will be hidden by the nut itself, and so the next job is to just sort of pilot these and test them on the bike just to see how they fit. But yeah, I thought I'd share that with you. I'm really pleased with how they came out.